Can you download Steam on Trimui Smart Pro? I'm going to tell you whether you can download Steam on the Trimui Smart Pro. The short answer is no. You can't directly download or run Steam on this device. The Trimui Smart Pro runs a lightweight Linux-based OS built specifically for retro emulation, not for full-featured gaming platforms like Steam. Steam requires a desktop operating system like Windows or full Linux, plus more powerful hardware to handle modern PC games. The Trim UI specs are optimized for classic emulators, not demanding 3D games. That said, with some effort, you could try streaming from a PC using apps like Moonlight or Sunshine. But results may vary, and it's not officially supported. If you want a handheld that plays Steam games natively, consider something like the Steam Deck.